Hi, I'm Joe Rusk, co-owner of AquaGuard Foundation Solutions. Today I want to talk about crawl space drainage. Vented dirt crawl spaces are just that. They're short spaces beneath the home that allow moisture and water to just sit there and attack the building envelope. Standing water is never a good idea in a crawl space. Mold, dry rot, bugs, odors, all find their way straight up into the living space of the home. Good drainage is a must, and we have a great drainage system here at AquaGuard. It's called EasyFlow. EasyFlow is a 3-inch drain tile with several inches more of an engineered aggregate wrapped in a filter fabric to keep the drain clean and the water flowing. EasyFlow is installed around the perimeter of the crawl space as well in any lateral areas that may be holding water. The drainage is run to a custom-designed sump pump system with a battery backup that discharges the water a safe distance away from the home. Proper drainage will keep standing water out of the crawl space, and that is one important step in eliminating the damaging effects of water. So if you're noticing water in your crawl space, give us a call. We'd be happy to stop out for a free, no-obligation estimate. Have a great day from all of us at AquaGuard Foundation Solutions.